Okay, so I finally got around to fixing the hyper flashers problem that I had, and what I ended up doing was installing these load resistors. See, it's working. So I still have to mount them. They're getting kind of warm. They do feel warm, so not too bad though. They've been out for maybe about 2 minutes. So here they are. Yeah, just really maybe about like 80 degrees. And then here's the rear. So there they are, back there. Yep. Yeah, it's warm. It's not incredibly hot or anything. Maybe about like 80 to 90 degrees, if anything, for right now. But I still have to attach them on to the body itself. Yeah, so that one's kind of warm. So to take these out, there's 3 bolts. There's 3 holes there. Line up with those, and then they're further retained with these clips. These clips right here. That comes off. You have to kind of jiggle it, and then it pops out. All right. So same thing for this one. Same thing. Let's see. So these fit there, and that's how it works. It's a card. Yeah, card. Let's see. Yeah, still not that hot. Okay, so this, place it in there, and then this acts as a retainer right here. So this clip will go ahead and retain right there. So that's what it does. Clips right into that. Same thing with this side. There's that right there. There. And this clip will go ahead and retain it there, or clip onto that and retain. That's how it retains itself. All right.